So for today's Dynamic Trade of the Day video, we're going to take a look at the trading from last night. That's the 4th of August 2020. And really, when you're looking at the evening trading, it's from about 7:20 UK time to around 9 o'clock. That's kind of your golden time for trading the US markets there, the US indices. We're taking a look at the Dow here, and I'm going to run through the trading opportunities from around that sort of time. So 7:20 onwards. And you can see what happens here, that as soon as we get to that time, the ranges start to move out, the bands here, they start to expand as a consequence of the increased volatility, the increased activity that happens as you move towards the close of the day. So really tight ranges earlier on, and then it really does start to break out. And it starts off with a short trade at 7.28 on the close of this candlestick here. So around 26,750, and a big fall happen, and it really happened very, very quickly indeed. So 2 minutes, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 minutes later, this market has fallen around about 75 points. So that's a significant opportunity. And of course, plenty of scope to look to take profits within that period. Even if you're just moving your stop according to this arrow, the trailing arrow here, it's still going to be around about a 55 or 45 point winner there, but a little bit of extra profit if you'd have been cuter on your exit there. So a nice winner to get us started for the evening session. Pretty annoyed not to get on this next move higher, but those are the rules of the strategy. And what we end up doing is taking our next buying opportunity here. It's a continuation buy at 20 past 8. Again, moving back in line, the lines are going back from red to green, in line with the uptrending market here, and a continuation posting a nice profit for us here, moving about 25 points up to the top of the price channel. You're not looking for massive moves on continuation trades, just a little leg higher, and it takes on to new highs, goes to the top of the channel for a decent profit for us as well. Then after that, we then get a loss-making trade, sadly, but they're going to happen. That's part of trading as well. After that, as I said, we have a loss-making trade here at 20.34, so 8.34 in the evening there. And you know what? It's not a great trade. It's an explosive swing trade. It just doesn't work out, and that's fine. That's what happens with certain opportunities as well. There are going to be loss-making trades, and that is part of trading. It's something that we have to deal with. What's interesting about this opportunity is that it actually reverses really, really quickly and goes straight into a continuation buy trade here at 20.36. So literally 2 minutes. We're only in this trade for a short amount of time. We take a 14-point loss on it before getting on probably the main move of the evening. So from 20.36, it's a continuation buy, and the market rallies on really aggressively, taking on around an 80-point rise into the 9 o'clock close. So overall, you look at those 4 opportunities. Yes, there's a loss-making trade in there, but that's okay. Otherwise, there's 3 good winners in there and around 880 points of positive opportunity for dynamic traders to jump on there. And there we are, everybody. Simple, rules-based approach to trading that's delivering some great results for our students. So that's yesterday's trade of the day for the 4th of August 2020.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.